Hey friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, come here. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I do have a big goal that I want to reach as far as my subscribers are concerned. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before we get into it, y'all, today is Tuesday, December 13th. It's currently 11:53 a.m. and obviously this is a get ready with me video that y'all absolutely love so much. So we're gonna keep getting ready, right? And while I get ready, of course, I like to motivate y'all. I like to inspire y'all. And in this video, I'm about to share with y'all basically how to get from where you are to where you want to be if you're not where you want to be, okay? But before we get into it, y'all know we gotta roll the clip. Well, let me think about this. Actually, I liked the way that I edited yesterday's video, so I'm gonna roll the clip of me getting ready towards the end before I show y'all my outfit, because I just think it makes more sense to do that. That way y'all can get y'all motivation, which is why majority of y'all are here, because y'all are always like, Christina, you're so motivating, you're so inspiring, can we get more motivational content? So boom, y'all, we got more motivational content for y'all. Okay. So far I'm gonna finish getting dressed though, because I'm pretty much like, you know, done. But I just gotta put my jewelry on. I gotta put my head thingy on and go from there. But I'm gonna talk to y'all about how to get from where you are to where you want to be. So the first factor I feel like in deciding, like in getting from where you are to where you want to be, I feel like is, first of all, you have to decide where you want to be. And sometimes deciding where you want to be can take time. Sometimes deciding where you want to be can be challenging, but that's the first step, because I feel like once you know where you want to be, and this could be for any area of your life. It could be mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, financially, like career-wise. It literally can be anywhere that you want it to be. But first you have to decide where you want to be. And again, you could break it down by like categories. I could say that's how I started, was like, I would say like years and years ago, I used to have a calendar where I track my progress in different areas of my life. So like in my spiritual life, I would track how many times am I praying like throughout the week, how many times am I reading my Bible, how many times am I going to church, like different things like that. As far as like financial, right? If you have a goal financially, how much money are you saving? How much money are you making? Like what position you want to be in financially. So of course you got to track it as well in order to decide on like how to get to where you want to be. So it could be in any area of your life, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. So with it being in any area of your life, let me put my glasses on because I cannot see. Anyways, but this could be in any area of your life. So decide where you want to be. That's the first factor. Sometimes like if you're not sure where you want to be, it's harder for you to get there. It's like if you're in a car driving, right, and you don't know where you're going, you're wasting your time. You're just driving at this point. You know what I'm trying to say? And for me, I don't know about y'all, but for me, I don't want to waste my time. Like I don't in anything that I do. So sometimes, again, like I said, it can be hard, especially if you don't have exposure to certain things. But the first way, if you're still not sure what you want, try different things. Expose yourself to different things, because it will help you to decide on what you want and where you want to be. You get what I'm trying to say? If you're single, try relationships. If you try a relationship, you'll learn, okay, this is for me, this is not for me. If it's in your career, try a job, try shadowing, different things like that, and then you'll know, okay, this I like, this I don't like. You get what I'm trying to say? So that's the first thing. Decide on what you want first. Once you make up your mind what you want, it's easier to figure out how to get there. Once you decide on what you want, look up different ways to get to where you want to be. There's multiple ways. There's a saying that says like there's more than one way to skin a cat, and it's true. There's more than one way to get to somewhere. Just like a GPS, just like if you're driving, it's multiple ways for you to get somewhere. It's not just one way, it's not just one route. So that's the second thing to figuring out how to get to where you want to be, is figuring out what does it take to get there. So when I was in school, for example, and I love using this example, I finished school in 3 years rather than 4 years. Why? Because at my school they had this little curriculum sheet where like they tell you what classes you got to take and stuff like that. So I knew what classes I needed to take. I asked them what's the maximum classes I could take per semester. They told me 6. So for like 2 years straight almost, I took 6 classes per semester. It was crazy. I didn't have a lot of time on my hands, but I was determined to get through school because I knew where I wanted to be. So figure out, okay, what is your maximum? You get what I'm trying to say? How much can you do? How much can you put in? Whether it's work, whether it's career, whether it's weight. Like some people struggle with weight, like maybe going to the gym or whatever. Okay, how many times a day can you go to the gym? How many times a day or how many times a week can you work out? You get what I'm trying to say? So figure out where you want to go and break down how to get to that point. That's how I'm at where I want to be. Another thing, speak it into existence, y'all. Keep saying it, keep talking about it. Like, don't be scared to talk about it. If you talk about it and it makes some people uncomfortable, then don't talk to those people about it. You get what I'm trying to say? Talk to, and in the beginning, you're probably not going to be 100% sure, like, okay, who can I say this stuff to? And sometimes you don't even got to say it to nobody, to be honest. You could just take time, even when you're by yourself, and keep telling yourself, I'm going to be successful. I'm going to make it in this area. I'm going to lose weight. I'm going to look my best. I'm going to get this money. I'm gonna run it up. I'm gonna be, you know, successful. I'm gonna make 6 figures. Like, you don't even gotta tell nobody else, because sometimes we feel like we gotta tell other people. We need other people's validation to do whatever it is that we want to do. But I'm here to tell you, you don't need validation to do what you want to do, especially if it's what you're called to do, especially if you feel like it's your purpose. You don't need no one else to validate it. I'm not saying this in a bad way or anything like that, but sometimes you just gotta know and feel it, like, okay, this is what I'm called to do, this is what I'm chosen to do, and just go after it. So that's basically my tips on how to get to where you get from where you are to where you want to be. Put in the time, put in the effort, put in the work. If you don't put in the time, if you don't put in the work, if you don't stay consistent, if you don't stay dedicated, if you don't stay committed, I promise a year from today, you still gonna be in the same spot. 2 years from today, you still gonna be in the same spot. A few years from today, you still gonna be in the same spot. So you have to work. You have to figure out, okay, what does it take for me to get from here to there, and then do it. Apply yourself, okay? Just like with my channel is growing, and I'm so grateful that it's growing. But in order for it to grow, I understand that I have to consistently put out content, which is exactly what I'm doing. And as I'm doing that, it's continuously growing. You understand what I'm trying to say? If you're trying to lose weight, okay, how many calories a day can you take in? That's gonna help you to get to where you want to be. Or if you're trying to gain weight, because there are people that are trying to gain weight, how many times a day do you need to eat? How serious do you need to take your eating? Like, to my girls, I've seen girls where they're like, they forget to eat because they're so busy, they're so caught up in the day, or you know, whatever the case might be, and they don't eat. So some of them, they put reminders on their phone to remember to eat. So you have to be dedicated, you have to be committed to whatever it is that you want. Once you're dedicated, once you're committed, ain't no stopping you. Like, you cannot be stopped, okay? So figure out what you want, and once you figure out what you want, look up, okay, what does it take to get there? And sometimes it's going to take more than what you thought, but just because it takes more than what you thought, don't stop, don't quit, don't give up. Just pace yourself. It's okay if it's more than what you thought it was. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, don't turn away from it. I feel like you could do it. Just give yourself a chance, give yourself more time. Also, sometimes you might end up getting something and figuring out, okay, this is not what I wanted. That's okay. You could change your mind after the fact. So you that's watching this video, get from here to there. Like, you gotta move. You gotta move. You gotta put in work. You gotta put in time. You gotta put in effort. You gotta eliminate distractions. You gotta do all of that, okay? Especially if you want next year to be a big year for you, you have to eliminate distractions. You have to put certain things to the side and just figure out what you want. And sometimes even figuring out what you want, you got to like not talk to nobody else for the moment. Just take some time to think. Take some time to just listen to your own voice and just analyze and examine and, okay, is this what I want? If I get this, how will it benefit my life? How will it positively impact my life? That's another big factor. Will this positively impact my life, or will this have a negative impact on my life? If it's gonna have a negative impact on your life, forget about it. Just forget it, y'all. Forget it, okay? If it's not gonna benefit you or positively affect your life, forget it. Like, that's it. Hey, we doing positive things all 2023. We making progress in our lives, no matter what area it is, whether it's business, whether it's career, whether it's school, whether it's family, whether it's that many, whatever it is, y'all. Like, we are making progress in 2023. But in order to make progress, you gotta figure out what you want. You gotta eliminate distractions. You gotta figure out how to get there. Come up with a plan. Write it down. Sometimes your plan is going to change, y'all. Like, I had a plan for something that I wanted to accomplish, and that plan changed like 3 or 4 times, y'all. I kid you not. But I did it. And if I could do it, you can do it too. So write out a plan, execute the plan. Don't be scared to revisit that plan. Don't be scared to look at that plan. Don't be scared to see, okay, is this really working for me or is it not working for me? If it's not working for you, that's totally fine. Ditch the plan and come up with a new one, okay? There's multiple ways to get anything that you want. It's multiple ways to get from where you are to where you want to be. The number one way, top 2 things: decide where you want to be, and number 2, move. Like, even if it's just 1 step a day, move. Like, if you stay in the same spot, you staying in the same spot. You ain't going nowhere, okay? Even if you take 1 step or half a step is better than no step at all. You get what I'm trying to say? Even if you take a step and you fall down, that's better than being in the same spot that you were. Y'all that watch me, I don't want y'all to be in the same position a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 4 years from now. No, baby, like, no. We gotta progress, we gotta move forward. So that's all I got for y'all. I'ma insert the clip right here.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
right, so I hope y'all enjoyed the clip of me getting ready. I'm about to show y'all my outfit really quick. Today is like pretty simple and cute because the way New England weather is set up today, y'all, it was 16 degrees this morning, y'all. Now it's 34 degrees outside and I don't got time for that. So yeah, but I got this cute little crop top on, these high waist pants, and I'm gonna show y'all, and these black slots. So super simple. I decided to go with silver accessories, and this is how my hair is. But yeah, that's my cute little outfit today, y'all. My little razzle dazzle, like, okay, that's my little razzle dazzle outfit. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm about to put y'all back over here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. I hope y'all like my outfit. So that's all I got for y'all. Remember, decide what you want and then figure out how to get there. Lock in, stay focused, and get there. All right, so that's all I got for y'all. Comment below if y'all got topics that y'all want me to talk about, because sometimes coming up with topics can be challenging, but I do have some other stuff like that's a little bit out of my comfort zone that I'm gonna film for y'all. But don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be